Chopper here with another video. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing, man? Last vlog, we did the fuel system on the EG Coupe. So today, I'm actually doing some front rotors, brake pads, and I got some compliance bushings here, polyurethane, and also sway bar links. Got the pads, OEM pads. I think these work the best out of all pads that I've used. Always the OEM. Got my man Wee down here helping me out. And we about to get to this. Jacking the car up, taking the wheels off. So stay tuned. Got the rotors right here too. Let me show you. Some drill slotted. Ooh. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let's get it. Alright, so check this out, guys. These rotors is looking horrible. And the pads I know gotta be horrible too. They got some meat, but they horrible. As far as the caliper, today I don't really have time to paint it. So I'll be painting that on another vlog another day, but I just want to put everything on and make sure it's working properly. Ooh, what's that right there? Traction bar? Oh yes, it is a traction bar. Let's get it though. Let's take these out and let's get to work. We finished doing the rotors and we only did the sway bar links. It got a little late on us, so the compliance bushing, I'll do them another time. But the rotors is looking fire. I wish I had time to paint the calipers, but I ain't get a chance to paint them. But I'm gonna show you guys. Check them out. What you guys think? Check out the sway bar links back here. Don't mind whatever you see that's not right. Everything's getting changed in the suspension. So every chance I get, I try to chip away at it. So let me show you guys the old links. Looking horrible. Here's the rotors. Here's the pads. I actually lost a lot of time because one of my boys decided, my boy right here, decided to get some brakes for his Integra and wanted to compare them to my Honda ones and mix match one. What you gotta say about that mess up right there? That cost us an hour and a half.
What's a mistake?
Mistake?
Yeah,
Mistakes like that don't happen around
exactly.
here. Anyway, let me show you guys the other side. What do you guys think about the rotors? Another thing, when you guys install drill slotted rotors, make sure that these curves go against the caliper, not with the caliper. So if the turns are going back, you got the rotor on the wrong side. This is for air to come in through this slot here. It's just some scientific stuff, but this is the way they go. So I got the Honda pads, the rotors, and I put the new polyurethane sway bar links. On another day, I'll make sure I paint the calipers. I think I'm gonna go with like a natural silver color, you know what I mean? I think that'll look really nice. And as for the back I'm waiting to get some disc conversions. So I don't wanna do anything in the back until I get that. So as for the front, this is looking real nice. Oh, the seats again. Oh, let's check out this engine bay one more time. I know y'all seen it on the last vlog, but it's coming together more and more. Now I'm gonna go for a ride and bring you guys with me. I wanna feel what the sway bar links feel like and see how good the rotors and the new pads is working. It definitely feels stiffer when it goes over bumps and stuff like that. Those sway bar bushes, they made a big difference because even the steering wheel soften up. Like when I turn, it's way smoother. I can only imagine when I do the compliance bushing and I do the lower control arm bushings and polyurethane. It's gonna stiffen up crazy. I really wanted to do the polyurethane bushings because the spherical stuff, if you use it like for the street, water gets into that and it's like it starts getting corroded, so the plate inside the spherical joint starts getting like sticky. So any of you guys that want to do the spherical bushings, just make sure you don't drive the car like in the rain and stuff like that, because if not, even with humidity, they're gonna start getting corrosion and the joints are not gonna really be moving like how they should. So I'd rather just put rubber bushings like polyurethane or any hard rubber on suspension parts that's gonna be like in a street car. Spherical is always stiffer, less movement, but for the street you need that little bit of cushion. And these brakes is feeling crazy now. The other ones was like crystallized. There was even like little chunks coming off of the pad. So it's gonna take a little while to break these in a little bit, but I can already tell the difference. Let's hit it here and see. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see what's going on. Little car is fun, man. It needs some more power though. It's definitely slow, but it's fun as hell. I'll tell you one thing, for a single, it's driving amazing though. Alright, let me show you guys the rotors one more time. Now that I drove the car a little bit, they still look intact. They're looking like they're wearing off pretty even. So I wanted to make sure they were wearing off even, because sometimes the calipers have issues, but these didn't look like they had any issues. So you see the rotor? And I've been driving already for about an hour. So it gives the car a different type of look. When you look at it in this direction here, real sliding. Once I paint those calipers, it's gonna look totally different, bro. And those polyurethane straight bar links, incredible too. I never used any of those because on Big Red, I never had a sway bar. But on this one, since it's an EX, it runs the sway bar. So I wanted to keep the sway bar there, just so like on the highway for turns and stuff like that. I'm glad I could bring another vlog to you guys. This time was the rotors and the sway bar links. Next vlog, I don't know. Let's see. I got so many parts and so many surprises for this car. I don't even know what to do next. So, with that being said, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I know, man. It's Chopper out of here. See ya.